Hello everyone, good evening. We are here Stone Mountain, Georgia, Ahmed Diash Indoor Soccer Stadium. You may also liked. Welcome to Laguna Seca Tequila Patron Commercial.
Since its inaugural season, the American Le Mans Series presented by Tequila Patron has made an annual stop at the picturesque and iconic Mazda Raceway, Laguna Seca.
Tonight this is friendly game Sheen against Orange Army, one of the best moments to remember. We are here on Ahmed Diash Indoor Soccer, the best indoor soccer. Present your awesome and amazing respect and love coming up after the commercial.
By Dodge, a performance revolution, an American revelation. By your neighborhood True Value hardware stores. And by Metropolitan Life and affiliated companies. Get bet, it pays.
About 120 people are inside in this building. They are expecting 180 people tonight. Many people feel this is the best friendly game. And now let me introduce you to all the players for both team. Number 1, Sheila, Liban Abdisalam, Abdin Alsir Black, Abu Bakr Mahmoud, Ahmed, Kamal Mohammed Abu, Ahmed Jiftan Abdimani Ali, Fawn, Abdifada Abdirahman, Ahmed Diash, Osman, Ali Abdikadir, Abu Bakr and Mohammed.
Give them 10 yards to shoot the ball. They're set up just outside the 18. They'll mark them back to just outside the 6-yard line. The 10 yards to shoot, and you got to be thinking the shot here. A man with a big foot with either foot. The touch, the shot, a goal! You got to love these guys. This is not an expensive European soccer team. These are homegrown kids. I don't know how the players can hear the whistles in this building. And as you can hear, they are very vocal, they are very loud, they don't hate the receivers, not as much as the
Sheena played soccer for Horsia team, where he was the 4-time team MVP and was part of the first team All-Stars for 4 years. During his 2 years at Atlanta team, he was named team MVP twice, as well as all teams, and twice respectively. In 2006, he was the named Athlete of the Year. Sheena helped the Atlanta Horsia team many tournaments and was one of the most prolific midfielder in the world. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest midfielder of all time. Sheena won Horsia Player of the Year and Atlanta Cup Golden Ball in 2006. Sheena also was chosen as midfielder of Atlanta Dream Team of the history of Atlanta Cups and named as one of the top 125 greatest living footballers as part of Atlanta 10th anniversary celebration. Sheena also played a Somalian national team in the Cobb County League, East Cobb County League and Liberian the best team Atlanta All Somalian in Clarkston and Stone Mountain. Every time when they playing soccer they remember Sheena. He is the idol, he is the best and would be the best and the all-the-time best player ever. I'm so humbled to have been part of this Legends generation who has the most powerful kick in the world. All Somalian love soccer, but when they watching this guy it's something special every time.